The crypto showcases especially are on a recuperation way, and APECOIN, APE, has likewise especially taken part in the up move. The bulls basically are endeavoring to sort of expand upon APE's convention above $6, starting around July 20, 2022. APECOIN's cost generally gotten a lift after he maker of Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAKE, Yuga Labs, most certainly chosen to genuinely open its other side metaverse to chose outsider engineers and clients who truly had sort of purchased author deeds, sort of, computerized land deeds, incredibly. After the finish of the demo, Yuga Labs delivered a light paper intended to sort of impart and certainly make sense of standards of the stage, capacities of its designers, and opportunities for local area co-creation. Elsewhere in the world, the US Reserve Director Grayscale Investments in a real sense reported that it especially is adding APECOIN to its rundown of resources viable, which by and large is genuinely critical. This rundown incorporates different potential up-and-comers that may truly turn into a piece of future venture items in an essentially significant manner. The non-fungible token, NFT, space saw a log jam in 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. As per a report by Non-Fungible, NFT deals basically plunged 47% worldwide in Q1 2022, contrasted with Q4 2021. Notwithstanding, a positive sign is that the Bored Ape Yacht Club deposed CryptoPunks as the most especially dynamic undertaking, with $1.2 billion exchanged the main quarter in an unpretentious manner. With the further developing opinion in the crypto area, might NFT deals at some point certainly get in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Might APECOIN at any point explicitly go up in opposition to mainstream thinking? Peruse the ape value examination to figure out incredibly. Chimp's cost in every practical sense tumbled from $27.60 in April to $3.06 in June, an over 88% fall in a by and large brief time frame, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Lower levels pulled in purchasing, and the ape United States dollar pair generally has begun a recuperation, which is genuinely critical. The pair could endeavor a meeting to the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of $8.81. This level essentially is probably going to draw in major areas of strength for certainly by the bears in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking fundamentally. On the off chance that the cost diverts down from $8.81, it will propose that bears really stay in order in an unobtrusive way. The merchants will then, at that point, make one more endeavor to essentially pull the cost toward $3.06, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The really next plunge toward $3.06 will especially affirm a base, which generally is genuinely critical. Generally, after a sharp fall, the cost especially stays caught in a reach prior to beginning a moving move in an unobtrusive manner. The bears will generally need to in every way that really matters, sink the pair beneath $3.06 to continue the downtrend. Then again, purchasers will generally need to drive the cost above $8.81 to kind of open the entryways for a convention to the half retracement level of $10.34. APECOIN specialized investigation. Daily graph APE's cost has begun a help rally, which could convey it to $7.22. The generally bears are probably going to truly guard this level forcefully, as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that the cost in a real sense diverts down from this level, the pair could again drop toward $4 and sort of stay caught in a reach for a couple of days. The kind of relative strength list RSI is explicitly near overbought region, flagging that bulls have the genuinely high ground, which generally is very huge. In the event that purchasers drive the cost above $7.22, the pair could ascend to $9.13 in an unobtrusive manner. This level could again go about as a significant obstacle for the bulls. Assuming the cost certainly diverts down from $9.13, however doesn't dip under $7.22, it will fundamentally show that the opinion has turned essentially sure and dealers are purchasing the plunges, which generally is very huge. That could expand the chance of a break above $9.13 in a significant manner. What is APECOIN, which for the most part is very huge? APECOIN is an ERC-20 administration and utility extremely token utilized inside the APE ecosystem to enable and boost a decentralized local area working at the very front of Web3. APECOIN holders oversee themselves by means of the genuinely decentralized administration structure controlling the APECOIN DAO and vote on how the APECOIN DAO ecosystem fund ought to be utilized. The APE Foundation manages recommendations especially settled upon by APECOIN holders in an especially significant manner. 2, or so they for the most part thought. Who are the founders of APECOIN? APECOIN really is a truly decentralized project propelled by Yuga Labs' Bored Ape Yacht Club project in an unobtrusive manner. APECOIN basically was established to truly be utilized inside the thriving ape ecosystem, which most certainly is upheld by the Ape Foundation in an unobtrusive manner. The APECOIN DAO especially expects to fabricate, and in every way that really matters, keep up with the ape ecosystem in a fair and comprehensive manner, giving a foundation to APECOIN holders to essentially team up through open and permissionless administration processes. An authoritative gathering inside the Ape Foundation, the board, will do the choices of APECOIN DAO individuals. The board generally is liable for the everyday organization, accounting, project the executives, and kind of different undertakings that explicitly guarantee the community's thoughts basically have the help they need to turn into a reality in a sort of significant manner. As a matter of fact, APECOIN DAO individuals vote on board individuals, in opposition to mainstream thinking. 3. What sort of makes APECOIN unique? APECOIN is the ape ecosystem's administration token, permitting genuinely token holders to really take part in APECOIN DAO and giving members a common and open cash can commonly be utilized without in every practical sense, concentrated middle people, which is genuinely critical. 62% of all APECOIN really was distributed to the ecosystem fund, which will uphold local area-driven drives as sort of decided on by APECOIN DAO individuals, or so they sort of thought. APECOIN additionally gives admittance to specific pieces of the ecosystem that fundamentally are generally inaccessible, as in every practical sense, selective games and administrations. For outsider designers, APECOIN is a device to take part in the biological system by sort of integrating APECOIN into administrations, games, and different undertakings. The Ape Foundation generally was gifted a one-of-one NFT by Yuga Labs, the makers of Bored Ape Yacht Club incredibly. Yuga Labs in a real sense, has commonly passed all freedoms and honors on to this